Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ernest Mampana from the Salfem FX Traders. Now, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the market review, what we've been trading the previous week, and bear in mind that everything that I'm going to talk about here is something that we did analyze here on YouTube, and now we are here to bring the results on what exactly happened from our previous analysis. So stay tuned.
A guy but I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it and I did.
We're getting money, don't care about what.
Thank you so much for choosing this video, and once again, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Without wasting much time, let's start with USD CAD. What we did previously, we analyzed USD CAD, we analyzed GBP USD, we analyzed GBP JPY, we also analyzed Nasdaq, and we analyzed gold. If you're new to this channel, you probably don't know how we do analysis. We do analyze gold separately, and then we focus on the other pairs in once. So we did gold separately, and then we came here, we analyzed the GBP USD, USD CAD, GBP JPY, and also Nasdaq. I came back during the week and I gave results on Nasdaq, how it blew my account, and also how I managed to recover the losses. So in this video, we're going to be talking about USD CAD, GBP JPY, and GBP USD, maybe Nasdaq a little bit. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So currently on the screen right now, I have USD CAD, and I gotta be real with you guys. Ever since we've been waiting for this pair to break this line right here, we had this line right here where we said once it breaks there, we will be able to take trades to the downside. However, that didn't happen. We saw this as some sort of a retest somewhere right there, and we were waiting maybe the market to impulse to the downside, but then it didn't happen either. Instead, the market went up, like it kept on ranging at this, around this price right here. So we didn't even know exactly what to do at this point, but then what is it that we can do is to wait. So we waited, and currently, I gotta be real with you guys, currently the market just broke right here. However, I am not in on this trade because I wasn't paying much attention to it. I didn't like the behavior, and I started to doubt my strategy when coming to USD CAD. Remember, the strategy may work on the other pairs, and on the other pairs may be too slow. I don't want to lie, on this strategy that I'm using, it's really not that much working on USD CAD, but then I know that it's performing very well on GBP USD, GBP JPY, Nasdaq, XTI USD, gold, and and USD CHF. So those are the pairs that I know very well that my strategy performs perfectly on it. So I was trying this strategy on USD CAD and the knowledge that I have about forex trading. However, it didn't work out. Like I had to wait for such a long time in order for me to get some confirmation on a certain trade. So this pair, we didn't take this pair, and to be honest, I'm not going to take this pair anytime soon, up until I come up with a way to work around it. So in order for me to be able to confidently take this pair, I have to do my research, I have to do my back testing in order for me to see that is it really the strategy, or maybe it was just a bad week on the market. However, we didn't win this trade, we didn't lose this trade, we just went out this trade with nothing to take. The market didn't take anything from our account, we didn't take anything from the broker. So that is how it is. Let's move to a different pair. On the screen right now, I have GBP USD, and man, I gotta say this, guys, GBP USD is been paying us very well, it's been rewarding us very well, it's been respecting the setups, like it's so amazing. So what we anticipated a double bottom, as you have seen in the video. If you haven't seen the video, let me just play a little clip of what we anticipated. I can see this right here, which gives me an idea that the market might have something of this nature and shoot back up right there. So as you can see from the video, we anticipated a double bottom, of which it happened, and it even went beyond. I did mention that we are expecting the market to shoot back up, at least up until this level right here. If not this level, then at this level right here. Look what happened. The market came and at this level it did some sort of a rejection, but then continue shooting back up. As I said, market always moves in a series of higher highs, higher lows, so you do not have to panic whenever you see a certain reaction on the zone that you are expecting it to happen. Just take it as maybe a retest or something. So the market moves in a series of higher highs and higher lows, so we will never shoot up straight like that. So I was expecting the market to hit here and maybe shoot back down before it can continue going up again. What happened is exactly what I have anticipated. We saw the market moving from here up until here. So what we saw was the double bottom somewhere right here. As you can see, we took the trades somewhere here. It went up, shot up, and then came back to, like, it did some sort of a correction, and then went up again, came back to retest, went up, now it went down again here, breaking out this level right here, breaking out this one right here. But then that was a false breakout. As you can see, it moved back up. So I will take this as another retest again. Remember, the first retest was here, now the second retest is here. We're shooting back up. So this is what exactly happened, and I am so grateful to see me like being part of this type of trades. On the screen right now I have GBP JPY. Man, I gotta say this again, we didn't take this trade either way. So then we expected the market to retest again here and then continue shooting back up. If that's not the case, then we expected the market to break this level and come to retest at this level once again before we can continue shooting up. So we said, what will happen if the market doesn't come to retest here? We drew this zone here, this minor zone here. We said, okay, if the market doesn't want to give us a double bottom right here, then we will expect the market to shoot back up right here from where it is, just straight up. However, none of those happened. Currently we are still waiting to see what GBP JPY is giving us. So GBP JPY has been moving sideways lately, so just waiting to see what will happen. But from what I'm seeing right now, the market might break to the downside because we have a channel right here. We have this channel right here, which might be a confirmation for me that we have the impulse, now correction, then we might have another impulse to the downside. However, I am not the market maker and I'm still going to do my analysis on this pair. So this is what we had on GBP JPY. We had no trade, so we walked out on nothing. The market didn't take anything from us and we didn't take anything from the market, so the score is 0-0. Now let's look at Nasdaq. So I'm not going to be long on Nasdaq because I have a video explaining how I blew my account on Nasdaq, and I think it's very important for you to go and watch that video before you're going to conclude whatever that I'm about to say on this video. So right here we anticipated a double top on Nasdaq. We had this first touch here, we were expecting the second touch somewhere right here, and then the market to shoot down right at least at this level or even at this level right here before the market can continue shooting back up. What happened is that, of course, the market went there to give us that double top that we are expecting. At this point the market shot down, but then in the way the market was moving, it was really not satisfying to say that okay, now we are making profit, because you can see the market, even though the market was shooting to the downside, it was moving in some sort of a correction manner, of which to me I was like, okay, the market now might still continue shooting back up. However, I still had that trade open, so I just wanted to see what would happen. Either way, I saw this line right here, I drew this trend right here, so which might confirm me that maybe we are in a triangle structure, so we're waiting to for a breakout. So I saw this as a triangle structure, which I expected it to break to the downside. However, that didn't happen. Remember, I saw the market being right here. You see this wick right here. So I've been taking some profits as I open multiple entries. I've been taking some profits, and when the market reversed on me, I went out on a stop loss. So however, the overall of this trade, we went out on a stop loss. I just want to be clear with you guys. I'm not the person to hide if I hit my stop loss or I hit my take profit, you know. So on this one right here, as you can see guys, the reason why I do not delete my previous trend lines before I do my market weekly review is to show that whatever that I've been planning, is it in profit or is it in loss. So if I come later and say, okay, now let's continue with everything, let's just do the analysis, what happened to the previous analysis, you would like to know what is it that happened. Am I the type of a forex trader who will just focus on doing the analysis and never show exactly how they went? So I don't want to be that type of a person. Either I hit my stop loss or either I hit my take profit. I would still come back here to show you exactly where I did hit my stop loss and where I did hit my take profit. And once you hit your stop loss, you already know where to change. And once you hit your take profit, you still need to write down exactly why did you hit the take profit. Especially if you are a beginner, you're still learning some of these things. Don't be excited by just hitting a take profit without really understanding why did you hit the take profit. If you hit the take profit and you feel like, okay, the results are good, don't be so too excited. Understand the reason behind it. Sometimes it might be out of luck that you hit a take profit. Sometimes it might be that really you know what you're doing. So we can find people like who can come to the market, just place trades and then win without even understanding what they're doing, but still they're profitable. So it's called maybe a beginner luck, I can say that. So either way, you need to know why did you hit your stop loss, you need to know why did you hit your take profit. So I guess this video was very valuable, and if you have made it up until this very end, you know what to do by now. Hit that like button, leave a comment on your thoughts. I would like to know either these videos are valuable for you or not, if I should keep them coming or maybe I should continue posting my lifestyle videos that I used to post with the Forex Hub. Anyway, my name is Ernest Mampana and I love you so much guys. Peace out.